Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a question related to the topic differential equation solvable for x. We have a question p cube minus 4xyp plus 8y square is equal to 0. We see here that we can write the given differential equation in the form x is equal to function of y comma p. So regarding its solution, we can write 4xyp is equal to p cube plus 8y square. So we have x is equal to p cube by 4yp plus 8y square by 4yp. Here p will get cancelled, here y will get cancelled, 2 times 8, then we will have x is equal to p square by 4y plus 2y by p. We will take this as equation 1. Then we need to differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to y, we get dx by dy is equal to 1 by 4y 2p dp by dy minus p square by 4y square plus 2 by p minus 2y by p square dp by dy. Now dx by dy can be written as 1 by p, and from here we can bring 2 by p and minus p square by 4 square towards the left side, and we'll have 1 by p minus 2 by p plus p square by 4y square is equal to p by 2y dp by dy minus 2y by p square dp by dy. This will become p square by 4y square minus 1 by p is equal to p by 2y minus 2y by p square dp by dy. Then p square by 4y square minus 1 by p minus p by 2y minus 2y by p square dp by dy is equal to 0. Now here we see that here we are having p square by 4y square minus 1 by p, and this side we are having p by 2y minus 2y by p square. So from this, if we take p by 2y as common, we will get p by 2y minus 2y by p square minus p by 2y minus 2y by p square dp by dy is equal to 0. So we have p by 2y minus 2y by p square into p by 2y minus dp by dy is equal to 0. Now this factor will be considered to find the singular solution. So we will take the second factor. So we have p by 2y minus dp by dy is equal to 0, or dp by dy is equal to p by 2y. From here we have 2 times of dp by p is equal to dy by y. That means 2 log p on integration. We have 2 log p is equal to log y plus log c. So this will become log p square is equal to log yc. So we can write p square is equal to yc. Let us take this as equation 2. Now we will put the value of p square from equation 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 implies x is equal to p square, means yc by 4y plus 2y by p, that means under root c under root y. So we have this value. Now we need to solve this value to get the required solution. So we will write it again. We have x is equal to cy by 4y plus 2y by root c root y. Here if we rationalize with root c, we will get x is equal to cy by 4y plus 2y root c by c root y. Now we need to take LCM. So we will have x is equal to, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 4cy, and here we will get c square y plus 8y power 3 by 2 c to the power half. So this becomes 4cxy is equal to c square y plus 8y power 3 by 2 c to the power half. Let us bring this to this side to get 4cxy minus c square y equal to 8y 3 by 2 c half. On squaring both sides, we have whole square equal to, and this will become 64 y cube c. We will open this in the formula a minus b whole square. So we have 16c square x square y square plus c4y square minus 8 times of c cube xy square is equal to 64y cube c. So we can take c common and y square common. So c y square, or in fact we can take c square as common and we'll get 16 x square plus c square minus 8 times of cx is equal to 64y cube c. So this becomes 16x square plus c square minus 8cx, and we'll have a c outside. This becomes 64y cube c by c square y square by c into y square. So c will get cancelled and we will be left with 1y. So this becomes c times, and this is actually the formula for 4x minus c whole square. We can write it as 4x whole square plus c square minus 2 into 4x into c is equal to 64y. So c times of 4x minus c whole square is equal to 64y, which is the required solution. Thank you.